Yes, I would.
It would have a nice balance to have at least one lady with two gentlemen, because we do have an offer from Councillor Craik, Councillor Hickling, and
it's my brain. I think it's my brain I'm offering, Your Worship. Yeah.
I'm pleased about that.
Oh, webcam's on, stop it.
Take note, Forrest.
Well, how do the other councillors feel about, let's not necessarily give a delegation, but let's ask our three councillors to be our champions in this issue?
Very much so.
Perhaps.
Whatever form.
Yeah, so if those three councillors are happy to be doing that, I'm sure it looks to me that the other councillors around the table will support that. If we could call that our AC Buzz mini committee or something, or management committee, or working committee? Working party. Okay, and we'll have a beer when it's finished, that's good. That's what a party is all about. So going back to these dollars,